how to raise children who actually love God. What if I told you that one of the greatest dangers facing your child is not found at school or on social media, but in a home where Christianity is practiced without being truly lived? Many parents want their children to know God. They bring them to church, teach them Bible stories, and remind them to pray before meals. Yet, as those children grow older, many drift away from their faith. Why? Because children don't just learn from what we say. They learn from what we consistently live. If your greatest goal is simply to raise polite, successful, or well-behaved children, you may achieve it. But if your goal is to raise children who genuinely love God with all their heart, that requires something deeper. The Bible tells parents in Deuteronomy 6 to teach God's words diligently to their children. Notice, that doesn't limit those conversations to church. It says to talk about them when you sit in your house, when you walk along the road, when you lie down, and when you get up. In other words, faith should become part of everyday life. Your children need to see you pray. Not just tell them to pray. They need to see you trust God during difficult times. They need to hear you speak with kindness, ask for forgiveness when you're wrong, and choose obedience even when it's costly. A child's faith is often shaped less by perfect parenting and more by authentic parenting. No parents get everything right. We all fail, yeah? That's true, but children are far more likely to love the God they see transforming their parents than the God they only hear about during Sabbath services. So, here's a question worth asking today. If your child copies your relationship with God, where will that lead them? Now, if this message encouraged you, I'd love to help you take the next step. I created a free Bible study guide called How to Raise Godly Children in the Digital Age. It's filled with biblical principles and practical lessons to help you build a Christ-centered home. You can download it completely free by clicking the download link in the description box. That's it for me. I'm Joshua and I hope to see you next time. Hello friends! I need your help. If this is not too much to ask, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. This should only take 5 seconds of your time, but this simple gesture would help me reach more people and share the Word of God with the rest of the world. You have the power to make a difference in people's lives.